Happy festivities, everybody. Let's do this very simple makeup look. And to start with, I have well moisturized my skin and I'm using the Farsali Skin Tune Blur. This can even be used without makeup and helps to tone down the skin. Then you have this MAC Strobe Cream, which acts as a hydrating factor for the skin. Now for the pore correction, I'm using this Benefits Pore Corrector. After that, we are using the MAC Medium Deep Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette, and you can just check the movement of my hand, how I am pressing the product into the skin. Don't just leave the product, press it. Now Estee Lauder to my rescue, a very amazing foundation which I will be applying over my skin with the help of the wet beauty blender. It's in fact the damp beauty blender. Now for the concealing part, I'm using the Fit Me Maybelline concealer, which is exactly my skin tone, and its tone is golden. So just use the same damp beauty blender which you have used for your foundation and press the product inside your skin. Don't leave it over the skin. You will have to use multiple applications of the damp beauty blender. Now using this Sugar Concealer Vanilla Latte, which is 2 shades lighter than the skin tone that I'm having, just to provide that highlighting factor to my skin over certain areas where I want to draw more attention. Check the movement how I am pressing the product. The only mistake which we make while using makeup is that we think that we have applied the product over the skin. We don't blend it into the skin. That makes it really cakey. Now using the Huda Beauty Loose Powder, I will be very lightly pressing this powder for the setting of the concealer. Otherwise the concealer starts getting cracks. So this is the Banana Bread Huda Beauty Loose Powder. This can be used for setting, for baking. I don't bake much under the eyes, but yes, these areas near to my jawline, I like to bake near my nose even. This really gives a good effect. Don't leave the powder for a lot of time. Just rub it with very swift hands. Now this is a 3-in-1 palette which has the blush, which has the highlighter, and which has this contour from Sugar. This is from Try Sugar, and amazing effect I have seen. This is you can say boon in disguise. Never knew that Try Sugar products, some of the Try Sugar products are really good, and this is one out of them. You can see the effect on my face, especially the highlighter in this palette is just wow. So just check the movements how I am using this contour to give that chiseling effect to my face. Don't drag the skin too much. Just press the brushes lightly over the skin. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Now, just above the contoured area, I have applied the blush, and then comes the highlighter. For highlighting, I will be applying the highlighter over the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, then over the cupid's bow, the chin area, and of course the highlighter should be visible from the side of the face more as compared to the front. Usually some people don't even like to put it in the front areas. So here I start with the eyebrows. For the detailed tutorial, you can check out my previous videos. And here I'm using soap brows, and in fact from the day I started doing soap brows, I have never returned back to the normal brows. So the tool which I'm using here is the Benefits Goof Proof Pencil in Darkest Brown. Black gets actually really dark, so I prefer using a brown. I'm just filling out all the sparse areas. Keep it light in the front. This keeps it more natural. Now just using the same contour color from the contouring palette, that Trio palette. I'm applying that on my eyelid, then taking a black with the help of this flat brush, and this is a Sigma brush. I will link down the numbers in the description box. I'm just roughly applying it because I will be smudging this black with the brown. First I've taken this smaller fluffy brush. Later on I will be using a wider fluffier brush because there should not be any sort of depositions which are visible from the far off area. The smudging, the blending should be really well between the brown and the black color. So take your time. Here you can see this is a Sephora brush, this is a fluffier brush, and for the front area I will be using just any light shade which may be shimmery, which may not be shimmery. So you can see a very easygoing look, and just to highlight the look I've taken this Lakme Iconic eyeliner and apply the eyeliner in the way you want it to be. There are no hard and fast rules for makeup. You can just apply the makeup you want to. Highlighting the inner corner and under the brows with the help of the same highlighter from that Trio palette, and doing the this eyelashes now. I will not be applying the falsies. Now for the lips, I have used this amazing red color from Dry Sugar. Loving it, really loving it. It stays for around 10 to 12 hours without cracking, and then just putting a little bit of shimmer, and then the mascara on the upper lashes, and single stroke, as I always say, is never enough. Filling the waterline with a white pencil which I purchased from Nykaa. I don't remember the name, but yes, it's easily available at Nykaa. So now doing a little bit of the lower lashes because it's going to be daytime, so I don't want to do it too much because maybe in the sun it may not smudge out. So this is the complete look, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and see you soon in my next video. Do smash that like button, guys.